there are two kinds of pressure that you should verify or that you should evaluate in order to do a project. The first thing is that when the well is not producing, we are not removing gas from the well or from onshore. What happens is that the pressure of the onshore is at the static pressure of the system. So it will, once there is no flow, the pressure will equilibrate with what is inside of the onshore well. However, when we start producing, we get fluids from the well, and now we are having some kind of transportation and fluid flow, and the pressure will not more, it will be not more the static pressure, it will be dynamic pressure. And why it is very, very important to you understand these two kinds of concepts. It is because when we design a system that is receiving this feed gas, what will drive the operation pressure is the dynamic pressure, because the dynamic pressure considers the pressure drop through the pipeline, the temperature, and the condensation of condensates that you can have in the stream, and etc. However, when we stop our production, there will be a peak of pressure that will calibrate the system with the static pressure. And just to give you an example, in this case, my well has a static pressure around 25 bar G. So my pipeline must be able to handle this kind of pressure rating. But when I'm producing, and of course that depends on how much gas I'm taking from the well, because as much gas I remove, I withdraw, more will be the pressure drop and lower will be the operation pressure. So in this case, currently the dynamic pressure is around 15 bar G, and you see that there is a great gap between the static and the operation pressure. And if I'm planning to install a dehydrator equipment, and if I inform to the supplier that my operation pressure is 25 bar G, the calculations and the size of the equipment will be totally wrong, because in fact this equipment will operate at 15 bar G. However, if I not consider the static pressure, when I stop the production for any reason, can be operational reason, safety reason, the pressure will go up to 25 bar G. And I want that my system is designed in a way that I don't open any kind of PSV, because the 25 bar G, it's already expected in my system. So in this way, I have concerns related to operations conditions, and it is most often how you will design your equipment in terms of performance, but you must evaluate also and consider the static pressure, because that will impact the maximum allowable working pressure of the system and the pressure rating of your pipelines and etc. So that it's something that I would like to share with you. Okay, guys?